Egypt, a land of mystery and wonder, where the past and present intertwine seamlessly. For centuries it has captivated our imaginations, drawing explorers and historians alike. The ancient Egyptians left behind an incredible legacy. Towering pyramids, magnificent temples, and intricate tombs dot the landscape, each telling a story of a bygone era. These structures whisper tales of pharaohs and gods, of rituals and beliefs. They hint at a civilization far ahead of its time, with knowledge and skills that still baffle us today. Imagine walking through the Valley of the Kings, where history comes alive. You are surrounded by the tombs of powerful rulers, each with its own unique story. You can almost feel the presence of the pharaohs, their spirits lingering in the air. They ruled Egypt for thousands of years, leaving an indelible mark on history. Their culture was rich with art, filled with vibrant colors and intricate designs, science and engineering, showcasing their advanced understanding of the world. How did they build such incredible structures? What techniques did they use? What secrets lie hidden beneath the sands of time, waiting to be uncovered? Today we stand on the cusp of a new era of discovery, eager to learn more. Thanks to modern technology, we are finally able to unlock some of ancient Egypt's most closely guarded secrets. These tools are revolutionizing the field of archaeology, providing new insights. They are helping us to understand Egyptian civilization in ways that we never thought possible, bridging the gap between the past and the present. For centuries, archaeologists have relied on traditional tools. Shovels, brushes, and their own intuition were all they had. These methods were slow and laborious, but times have changed. Today, archaeologists have access to a whole new arsenal of high-tech tools. These tools are helping them to uncover the past with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras can soar over vast archaeological sites. They capture stunning images and create detailed three-dimensional maps. LiDAR, a remote sensing technology, uses lasers to penetrate dense vegetation and reveal hidden structures beneath the Earth's surface. And artificial intelligence is being used to analyze vast amounts of data. This data includes hieroglyphic texts and satellite imagery. These tools are not just toys for archaeologists, they are powerful instruments that are changing the way we understand the past. With each new discovery, we gain a deeper appreciation for the ingenuity and sophistication of the ancient Egyptians. Imagine a bird's-eye view of the Giza Plateau. You soar above the pyramids, taking in their immense scale. Now imagine being able to do this from the comfort of a research lab thousands of miles away. This is now possible thanks to drones. Drones are revolutionizing the way we explore ancient Egypt. They are essentially unmanned aerial vehicles. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, drones can capture stunning aerial photographs and videos of archaeological sites. This allows archaeologists to create detailed three-dimensional maps of entire sites. These maps can then be used to identify potential areas of interest. Drones are particularly useful for exploring remote or difficult-to-reach areas. For example, they have been used to survey the Valley of the Kings. This site is located on the west bank of the Nile River. The Valley of the Kings is home to the tombs of many famous pharaohs, including Tutankhamun. The drones allow archaeologists to study the tombs in detail without disturbing them. Section 4. LiDAR, Illuminating the Past. LiDAR stands for Light Detection and Ranging. This technology has revolutionized the way we explore and understand our world. It is a remote sensing technology that uses lasers to create detailed three-dimensional maps of the Earth's surface. By sending out laser pulses and measuring their return time, LiDAR can generate precise topographical data. LiDAR works by emitting pulses of laser light and measuring the time it takes for the light to bounce back from the surface. This allows scientists to map areas that are otherwise difficult to access. In archaeology, LiDAR is used to penetrate dense vegetation, map the contours of the ground, and even reveal hidden structures beneath the Earth's surface. This capability is invaluable for uncovering sites that are obscured by thick forests or other natural barriers. It's like having X-ray vision for archaeology. With LiDAR, archaeologists can see through the layers of time and vegetation to discover what lies beneath. For example, LiDAR has been used to map the ancient city of Tanis in the Nile Delta. This technology has provided new insights into the layout and structure of this once great city. This city was once the capital of Egypt during the 21st and 22nd dynasties. The detailed maps created by LiDAR have helped historians and archaeologists piece together its past. LiDAR has also been used to study the Great Pyramid of Giza. This iconic structure still holds many secrets, and LiDAR is helping to uncover them. In 2016, a team of researchers used LiDAR to scan the pyramid. Their work has led to some groundbreaking discoveries. They discovered previously unknown voids within the structure. These voids are significant because they could change our understanding of how the pyramid was built. These voids could represent hidden chambers or passageways. The potential for new discoveries within these ancient walls is immense. These discoveries are incredibly exciting. They not only add to our knowledge of ancient civilizations, but also inspire future explorations. They offer tantalizing glimpses into the secrets that still lie hidden within these ancient structures. With LiDAR, the past is illuminated in ways we never thought possible. Section 5: Artificial Intelligence Decoding the Hieroglyphs. For centuries, the hieroglyphs of ancient Egypt remained a mystery. These intricate symbols held the key to understanding Egyptian culture, beliefs, and history, but deciphering them was a daunting task. Then came artificial intelligence. AI is now being used to help decode ancient texts. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data. This data includes texts, images, and even sounds. AI can identify patterns and make connections that would be impossible for humans to see. AI is also being used to translate hieroglyphs into modern languages. This is allowing researchers to access and understand Egyptian texts like never before. AI is proving to be an invaluable tool for unlocking the secrets of ancient Egypt. Section 6: Unlocking the Secrets of the Pyramids, Valley of the Kings, and the Sphinx. The Pyramids of Giza, the Valley of the Kings, and the Sphinx are among the most famous archaeological sites in the world. These ancient wonders have fascinated historians, archaeologists, and tourists alike for centuries. They are also some of the most mysterious. The secrets they hold have puzzled experts for generations, leading to countless theories and speculations. But thanks to modern technology, we are finally beginning to unlock their secrets. Advanced tools and techniques are shedding new light on these ancient structures. Drones have been used to create detailed three-dimensional maps of the Giza Plateau, providing new insights into the construction of the pyramids. These maps reveal intricate details that were previously unseen. LiDAR has revealed hidden chambers within the Great Pyramid. These discoveries are helping us understand the complex engineering behind these monumental structures. And AI is helping to decode the hieroglyphs that adorn the walls of the tombs in the Valley of the Kings. This technology is translating ancient texts with unprecedented accuracy. The Sphinx, too, is yielding its secrets to modern technology. High-tech tools are allowing researchers to study its structure in ways never before possible. Recent studies using ground-penetrating radar have revealed the existence of tunnels and chambers beneath the Sphinx. These findings are opening up new avenues of research. These discoveries are rewriting our understanding of these iconic structures. Each new piece of information brings us closer to understanding the true history of these ancient wonders. They are a testament to the power of technology to unravel the mysteries of the past. As we continue to explore and innovate, who knows what other secrets we might uncover? Section 7: The Future of Exploration, a New Dawn for Egyptology. We are living in a golden age of archaeological discovery. Thanks to modern technology, we are able to explore the ancient world in ways that we never thought possible. Drones, LiDAR, AI, and other cutting-edge tools are revolutionizing the field of archaeology. They are allowing us to ask new questions and find new answers about the past. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting discoveries in the years to come. The future of exploration is bright, and with each new discovery, we gain a deeper appreciation for the ingenuity, creativity, and resilience of the human spirit. The ancient Egyptians left behind a legacy that continues to inspire us today. And thanks to modern technology, we are finally able to fully appreciate their remarkable achievements.